In this video, I will show you how to disable the SIM pin on your Samsung phone. A SIM pin is a security feature that protects your SIM card from unauthorized use. When you turn it on, you must enter a PIN each time you restart your phone or change the SIM card. However, if you find it annoying or unnecessary, you can easily turn it off. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Security and Privacy. Tap on it to proceed. In this section, keep scrolling until you see More Security Settings. Tap on that option for further security features. You'll now see various security options available for your device. Look for SIM card security and tap on it. On this page, you'll notice an option called Lock SIM Card. Currently, this feature is enabled. To disable the SIM pin, simply toggle off the switch next to Lock SIM Card. You will then be prompted to enter your current SIM card PIN. Remember, you only have 5 attempts to enter it correctly. After typing in your current PIN accurately, tap OK to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the SIM pin on your Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.